When I see myself as a future computer science professional, I imagine someone who starts with a vision. Every project begins with an idea, something I first sketch out before bringing it to life. Coding for me is like turning thoughts into reality. Each line of code is a step closer to solving a problem or creating something new. But it doesn't always go the way I planned. Sometimes it fails, and I feel frustrated. Nag-day off yung Gravity. Yet, I've realized that failure isn't the end, it's part of the journey. Every mistake teaches me to improve. Every setback builds resilience. For me, being a CES professional isn't about perfection. It's about creativity, persistence, and learning from every experience. And that's who I am becoming.